135 horsepower slip ring motor on receipt.
View of the slip ring before dismantling. View of the cooling fan. The pulley. View of the slip ring after carbon brush holders and carbon brushes are removed. Close-up view of the bearing seen with excessive grease contaminant. Dismantling in progress. View of the rotor before dismantling.
View of the connection end before rotor is extracted is seen with excessive carbon dust build-up.
Close-up view shows flashed winding. The rotor.
View of flashed rotor winding.
View of the stator on the connection end. View of the stator on the non-connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the non-connection end is seen with excessive build-up of carbon dust contaminant. The main rotor cleaned and application of anti-tracking paint done. Insertion of Class H insulation done.
Rewinding in progress. Insertion of the bottom coil done. Shaping of the bottom coils in progress.
Insertion of the top coil done. Ready for shaping.
Shaping of the second winding is done. Ready for binding.
The rotor is ready for binding, varnishing and oven cure. View of the connection end.
View of the non-connection end.
Assembly in progress. Rotor installed after the state is clean. Application of anti-tracking paint done. Varnished and oven cured.
View of the non-connection end after rotor is installed.
New bearing fitted. We only use SKF bearings for our fittings. The cooling fan fitted. New bearing fitted on the driving end. Motor painted, tested and ready for collection. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.